Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Console Onyekure here. Now, this is a fantastic airdrop. Why do I say it's a fantastic airdrop? This is a project in partnership with Solana and Gleam. So both of them are sponsoring this airdrop, Solstone. Okay, so I would like to make this update as quick as possible. All right. It's not a regular tap project, but this one has to do with mining or farming and then coming back to claim whatever it have mined for you. What is the duration of mining? The duration is just 8 hours. Okay, now before we dive into this video, you are owing our channel something. And what are you owing our channel? You are owing our channel a like. It is very important. Make sure you drop that like, and after dropping that like, make sure you also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, and then drop a positive comment right on the comment section. Just say something awesome: I like this video, I love this video, or just say anything. Okay, now if you check, the matter of urgency now is very high because this particular month, July, many projects are going to be launching this July. Many projects are going to be launching this July. And if you check, Elon Musk tweeted something some time ago. He said in this 2024, many people are going to make money, many people are going to be rich from cryptocurrency. I also want you to be part of these people. All right, now if you want to come on board on this project, check the description section of this video. You are going to see the link there. That link will aid you registration here on Solstone. And once you register, you come down right to this place and start mining. Then as usual, come over to the quests section and do all the activities right over here. Me, I've not done my own, but on a good time when I am free, I will do it. I won't like to make this video so long. Okay, now the rating just has to do with the leaderboard, people that's for people that have referred. So there's nothing much about there. And then the friends section has to do with your referral link and how you can copy your referral link and start sharing. So I wanted to share two different airdrops right on this video. So the first one is Solstone, and we are done with this Solstone. Immediately you register, they used to give a wallet address, and from what I see here, it seems you can also withdraw after some time, after you might have mined for some time, but I'll keep you updated on that aspect. Okay, so I'll be going back right now. I don't know if anybody is mining Iceberg, because Iceberg is one of the most active and promising airdrops right now. So I don't know if you are mining Iceberg now. Let me click on it so that you can see it. So this is Iceberg, just similar to that of Solstone. All you just have to do here is to click and start farming, and after 8 hours you come back right over here and claim whatever it might have farmed for you. And this one, the interface is even looking more simple. This is the tax section and this is the invite section. The task section, just as I told you, you come right over here and make sure you perform all the activities here. And after you are done performing all the activities, you come right back and start farming. It's very simple. You don't need any other thing. If you mind Aqua Protocol now, you see that people that mined it is already smiling. They are already smiling. So just make sure you can mine, or you are going to mine as many as possible. That is just all I have to tell you in this video. If you have any comments, just drop it on the comment section. That's if you have any question, you can drop it. Then make sure you drop a comment, a positive comment towards this video. It's very important. Okay, so that's, with all this being said, I don't think there's any other thing. Thank you and see you in my next video.